Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix latency or microphone delay on Bandlab, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Bandlab is an online piece of software which you can use for free. Here you can either record your own voice or record a melody using online virtual instruments, and you can use it to create a pretty good song. You can also add beats, you can add virtual guitars, and so on and so forth, and it is very useful if you are in the music creating business. You can also edit already existing audio files by just importing them and editing them to your heart's content. But as with any other service that requires you to use devices to input, you might experience some latency, which is pretty much just microphone delay. And here I'm going to use this article to help you fix it. Now, if you go to this article, it is by Bandlab in the help.bandlab.com website. This is the name of the article. Here you can just list any problems and troubleshoot them however it recommends. Make sure that you are not using Bluetooth, since Bluetooth does tend to induce latency in your devices, so just keep that in mind. But to fix the latency, you have to pretty much take the latency test. On the web, it is done by going into the tools menu at the top left, selecting the latency test, unplugging your headphones, and then clicking start test to actually test it. To show you how that looks like, just go into Bandlab in your studio, go to the hamburger menu, go to tools and to latency test, and once you remove your headphones, click start test and everything should be perfectly fine. You can also do this on Android by going into the gear icon in the studio and going into the latency fix and clicking retake the test after you take out your web headphones. Pretty much the same process. You can then see how it's done in detail here on the website, but I won't be going over that. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.